Mastering Individual Pixel Manipulation in Python. Welcome to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're exploring the colorful world of pixels. Get ready to learn how to change individual pixels in an image using Python. Let's dive into the fascinating process of image manipulation. First, ensure you have the Pillow library installed. It's a powerful tool for image processing in Python. Install it using pip install pillow. Ready? Let's get coding. Load the image you want to manipulate. Here's how to open an image file. Remember, the image should be in the same directory as your script, or provide the correct path. Each pixel in an image has a color value. In RGB mode, this value is a tuple representing red, green, and blue. Let's see how to access and change these values. To change a single pixel, specify its coordinates and the new color value. For example, let's change the pixel at position 100, 100 to red. You can also change multiple pixels. Let's create a red line across the image. We'll iterate over a range of pixels and change each one. After changing the pixels, don't forget to save your new creation. Here's how to save the modified image. And that's how you play with pixels in Python. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different patterns and colors to create your unique art. Keep exploring and have fun with your pixel projects.